This is from Isaiah chapter 1, verse 21 and 22. How has the faithful city become a harlot? It was full of judgment, righteousness lodged in it, but now murderers. Thy silver is become dross, thy wine mixed with water. The wine mixed with water we probably understand easily enough. We don't like to water down things. The phrase water down something has come to mean to spoil it, to make it less effective, to make it weaker, less tasty. I just drank some 1%, no fat milk the other day and almost spit it back up again because I'm not used to it. It was watered down. Thy silver's become dross. That's watering down silver, but you don't use water. You use baser metals. You throw in some tin or some copper, some nickel or iron or whatever into the melting pot. You stir it all up, and now the silver is not really silver anymore. It's some silver and something else. But if you pass it off as being silver, you've done a couple things. One, you've lied because it's not silver. Two, you've increased the apparent amount of money in circulation. This is inflation. Inflate, to make more, by blowing hot air into something usually. Inflation is not an increase in prices, although an increase in prices is very often the result of inflation. Inflation is any increase in the money supply. If you put more money into circulation, you've inflated the currency. There are two ways this can happen. It can happen naturally. When large amounts of gold or silver are discovered underground, then initially, as they're mined out, the available currency inflates. There's more of it. This happened in the California gold rush, for instance. It also happened in Spain in the wake of their discoveries in the New World, when tons and tons of gold were flowing back into Spain. It happened in Solomon's day, when so much gold came into Israel that it says that Solomon made silver as stones, as rocks in Jerusalem. But that doesn't happen very often, and eventually things balance out. More often than not, the kind of inflation we experience is deliberate, and it's done, in our age, by our national governments. Now, we don't so much debase silver anymore because we don't use silver anymore. But thereby hangs the story, and we'll continue that in the next video.